So before starting the different levels, let's talk about the base design of this visualization. As you see, the entire visualization will follow a consistent typography and a consistent icon fonts and everything like that. We are using line icons over here. There is Lato being used as a font. The heading fonts are consistent with each other. If I juggle between different sections, you'll see these smaller elements. These are called as cards. Now, what a card? A card is a combination of even smaller elements like this knob and this text together. And this text together, this knob together is also a combination of this knob and this number. So this pattern is called atomic design. I'm using atomic design basically to combine these smaller entities to make those bigger atoms. Bigger molecules. So the smaller entities are called atoms, and the bigger entities, which are a combination of these atoms, are called molecules. And these molecules combine to make templates, and the templates make pages and things like that. So I'm using the concept of cards. The good thing about atomic design is you can actually follow a very consistent system, and that's what's happening over here. You can notice throughout the different visualization systems, you'll see a stark similarity between the entire UI. Why this is done is basically to make a person aware, make a person learn faster about the visualization. So it's like, for example, a help text is provided for every card. So once you're used to using a help text in one card, it's a fair assumption to make that you'll understand why is there a help text on the second card, which is also this is also giving on more information, and why is there a help text on this one. So I mean, when a person juggles between different levels, I don't have to or like the stakeholders does not have to explain the other stakeholders again and again about the importance of these cards. I mean, it becomes self-explanatory after a while. I mean, this uses the concept of learnability in information visualizations. So yes, I mean, apart from that, the design scheme is quite consistent with each other, and that's one of the rules and guidelines I've followed while making this visualization. So yeah, after that, let's dig into the first visualization, the supply chain level.